Go.
Show y'all young punks how to clean a catfish.
Yeah, I mean,
Y'all city boys.
y'all city boy.
He was born in the city too.
I always want your catfish alive. You want to clean him before he gets slimy. So when you get off the lake, put him in some ice water.
That ice water. Right there.
Go all the way around the back of his gill. Get his skin started.
It's moving on you, man.
You gonna have skin. Pound them a couple times, you know. Swim.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Bound him.
Oh damn.
Ice.
Ah. Hurt them. Ah.
Oh.
Oh.
Shut up.
These old fish are hard to skin.
I can't even process them.
Oh god. Oh.
Decapitated
Oh,
him.
I got some first
What?
action on that. Wow. You was right too. You was right. Oh, they got all on me too. Crap. I'm on.
We're good. Oh, jeez.
Go ahead. You be quiet. You're not a G.
Shut up.
Shit, man.
So I haven't touched it and it's still there. I touched it twice.
What that?
Yeah. Wanna touch it now? Touch your skin.
There we go.
First piece of skin we got off. Oh, stinks.
It tastes so good.
Remove his water.
That's from the last fish we had. Just taking the skin off. Oh,
Beef on the
look at that.
Looks so good.
All that meat right there.
Blood massacre around here.
Look, he's still breathing. Ain't good in his thing.
He's still moving. He's still moving too.
Cheese must be.
Alright, should I touch it?
Don't touch
Alright,
it.
I had a knife sharpener. Gotta have a really sharp fillet knife.
Sharp fillet knife. Sharpen the knife. Nice sharp.
The thing is, to save your meat. How much meat can you get off your fish? Alright, you start in the back of his neck, go right down the side of his.
Alright, here comes the bloody part. If you have a weak stomach, please stop the video here. Please.
You want to find his backbone. You want to go right down the side of his backbone.
What the earth need a spot?
Start at his tail. Get up on his tail.
Is that fat?
Nah, he's a 5 built wolf. See all that meat, I'm gonna try to save it.
Oh. All that blood.
What is going? Kinda.
You ready for that savage life, boy?
Huh?
And can you see part of the organs? No, you can't. Just cut them out. Oh, this juice. His mouth's moving.
Was.
He still might wiggle. I can feel him when I hit him with the knife.
He's still alive?
He's been in that cold water. I don't know. Shit. I don't think I'll be alive if the motherfucker scant me and stuck a knife to me.
Like Dexter. This.
Like Bill Gaines.
I don't fuck me on.
It's the Mr. Man, guys. Mr. Man, you want to see the teeth, man. Mr. Man. This is a big hint. There at number 9. Y'all know who that is. First
Don't
piece.
shake that. Get up.
Shake it up, get it all wet. And let's do the other side. So mad at.
Get your sharp knife and glide right across his backbone.
10 minutes.
7 minutes.
It's going pretty fine.
And this is really nasty. Y'all see the action on camera, but look at that. I want to see his organs. Oh. Still moving on us. Still alive. Strong. Cut it straight down. Alright, so savage life. You ain't ready for that, boy? Part of his organs. Shake it all up.
That's a lot of meat. You fillet fish. If you got a lot of fish, you fillet it. You're gonna lose a lot.
That's
All
heavy.
that right there is. You know what? Nah,
That's why I meat.
he's still heavy.
Her, hold the bag, hold the bag, hold the bag.
Watch out.
You still recording?
Yeah. Hold on, we'll finish with that. So, yeah, we finish. This, those ice water.
Alright, sweet.
Beets, new fish. There's nutmeg. That's how you prepare catfish.